chemical shift. So एक question है previous year दा, what do you understand by chemical shift in NMR spectroscopy? Chemical shift, the shift in the position of NMR signals resulting from the shielding and de-shielding by electrons are referred to as chemical shifts. Our definition है, frequency at which the nucleus comes into resonance in a magnetic field may be given by the following equation. Frequency is equal to gamma upon 2 pi h naught. H naught magnetic field होंदी है. From the above equation, it is evident that frequency can be calculated if the value of magnetic field at which resonance occurs could be derived from NMR spectrum. But it is not easy to determine accurately the absolute value of the field corresponding to a peak, and in practice the difference in peaks is observed. In order to solve this difficulty, resonance frequency of nuclei in a sample are measured relative to the resonance frequency of the nucleus in the reference compound. The frequencies are quoted relative to the reference frequency. The position of peaks in a NMR spectrum relative to the reference peak is expressed in terms of the chemical shift, which is defined as chemical shift is equal to H naught reference minus H naught sample upon H naught reference into 10 raised to power 6 parts per million. Value of H naught reference D is always greater, more hundi hai H naught for sample, so subtraction in the direction indicated gives a positive chemical shift. In terms of frequency unit, chemical shift takes the form V sample minus frequency reference upon frequency of reference compound into 10 raised to power 4 parts per million. Chemical shift is dimensionless and is expressed in parts per million. An alternative system which is generally used to define the position of the resonance relative to the reference is assigned tau scale. On this scale, the reference is assigned the arbitrary position of the 10 and the values of other resonances are given by tau is equal to 10 minus chemical shift, where chemical shift has same significance. On the chemical shift scale, position of TMS signal is 0 ppm and chemical shifts exist between 0 and 10. Small numerical value of chemical shift indicates a small downfield and large value indicates a large downfield shift. On the tau scale, the position of TMS is 10 and most chemical shifts have value between 0 and 10. Small value of tau represents a low field absorption and a high value it indicates a high field absorption. And we have this graph. ये पेपर बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी होगा. The relationship between TMS scale ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ and chemical shift, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ TMS signal ਦੀ value 0 ਹੈ ਤੇ tau scale ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ TMS ਦੀ value 10 ਹੈ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਇਹ ਹੋਰ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਐਕਸਪ੍ਰੈਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਇਫੈਕਟ ਆਫ ਸ਼ੀਲਡਿੰਗ ਅਤੇ ਡੀ ਸ਼ੀਲਡਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਸ਼ਿਫਟ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਇਹ ਹੈਗਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦਾ, ਵਾਟ ਡੂ ਯੂ ਅੰਡਰਸਟੈਂਡ ਬਾਈ ਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਸ਼ਿਫਟ ਇਨ NMR spectroscopy. So thanks for watching.